Hi, and welcome back to Big Mama's Garden. I know you've heard that garlic helps keep vampires away, but garlic also helps keep pests away from eating your plants in your garden as well. So it's always good to spread some garlic plants around in your different beds so they can control the pests from eating your plants. So today I'm going to add a row of garlic in my zucchini and squash beds to help control the pests from eating them up. As you can see, my squash is growing real good right now. See some of the squash coming up. Got the little flowers on them. They blooming. My zucchini over here. Don't see any blooms on them yet, but they're coming along. So I'm gonna add a row of the garlic right here in the middle. Go straight across. On each one of the beds. Come over here in the middle of this one here. Put me a row of garlic as well. Help keep them pests out of here from eating up my zucchini and my squash. They're gonna run away when they smell that garlic. Okay, we'll take my garlic clovers here and just put them down in the dirt. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I put 5 over here. 5. Okay. Got the 5 garlic clovers in the dirt. I'm just going to cover them over and watch them come up and grow. I'm going to water this bed down some more. Come over to my zucchini area. Add some more garlic in this bed. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I put 6 over here. 6. Push them down in the dirt. And then just cover them over. And watch them grow. One more little one here. Put that down in there. So I have 6 over in each bed. And I'm gonna water the beds down. And also, since we're having such a hot start of the spring, I decided I'm gonna add some straw to the top of these 2 beds too, to kind of keep the sun from killing the roots of these squash and zucchini, and to kind of keep the moisture in as well. And when it rains and when I'm watering the plants, so they won't get dried out from this hot sun, just going to put a lightly bed of straw around them. Kind of protect them a little bit during this hot spring we having. And I know the summer's gonna be even worse. Just cover the bed lightly with the straw. Then I'm gonna water it down to hold this straw down. And to water in my garlics I just planted. Okay, I think that'll probably do it. Get one more handful of this. Straw. Put it under here. Okay. Cover them up pretty good. Okay. I'm gonna do the same for my zucchinis. Okay, I have both of the beds of the squash and zucchini covered with the straw and watered down. Now I just have to continue to watch them grow. Look at my squash with all the blooms opening up this morning. Look over there at the zucchini. They opening up as well. Look at my squash. Look at it. It's growing. Come on, y'all. Continue to grow. Continue to grow. Look at my garlic I put in here coming up as well. Check those squash and the zucchini from the buzz garlic. Add one more zucchini here right in that corner there. Come on, squash. Do your thing. Thanks for stopping by. If you hadn't hit that subscribe and like button, do it now so you can receive all my latest videos and updates. See you next time at Big Mama's Garden.